Hello and welcome back to our third Camtasia YouTube video. In this example or in this demo video, we're actually going to look at exercise 12-4. And 12-4 has to deal with special orders. And what we have here is, well, it's basically a jewelry store, and a wedding party comes in and they say, hey, we want you to make us 20 special gold bracelets, but we want them at a discount of $169.95. Okay, so what do we have here? Well, we have our, we'll do it over here. We have our selling price, which is originally 189.95. Okay, we have the discount selling price of 169.95, and then we have our normal costs, right? And the normal costs are direct material of $84. We have direct labor of $45, and we have MOH of $20. Okay, so normally if we're making a normal bracelet, we sell it for $189.95, and the unit product cost of a normal bracelet is $149. Okay, so they give us a little more information. They want 20 gold bracelets. So the special order, they want 20 bracelets, and again they want to pay $169.95 for it. But in order to do this, we need to buy a special tool, and that special tool cost us $200. Okay, and or I'm sorry, $250. And they tell us that if we do this special order, just for the special order, just for the additional 20 bracelets, our direct material cost is going to go up by $2 per bracelet. And the material that they're using is that filigree, and that's going to be $2. And this is under the special order circumstance. And they tell us that the manager of this jewelry company has determined that manufacturing overhead is fixed and it's unaffected by um, variations in how much jewelry is produced in any period. But they say that $4 of the overhead is variable. So I want to say that of this $20, $4 of it is variable. Okay, so we need to decide, should we accept this special order based on the amount of sales revenue that just the special order will bring in versus the increased cost in those special orders. Are we going to make a profit? Well, let's figure it out. So we need to do some incremental analysis. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at everything on a per unit basis, and we're going to look at it in total for the 20 bracelets. So I'm just going to put a 20 up there. Okay, so let's look at our sales revenue. So the incremental, I'll say incremental revenue. The incremental revenue is going to be, well, that's the 169.95 per bracelet. And then if we multiply that by the 20 bracelets that we have, we end up with $33.99. Okay, good. Now we need to look at the incremental costs. Well, first we have direct material, right? We're making 20 extra bracelets. Our direct material costs are $84. So we see that in total, our total DM or direct material costs is $168, or I'm sorry, $1,680. Then we need to look at the direct labor. Well, we're making 20 extra bracelets. We pay these people $45 per bracelet. Our total direct labor is $900. Now we look at our manufacturing overhead. Now remember, in total we have $20 per unit of manufacturing overhead. However, $4 of that is considered variable, right? So the variable MOH is $4, and we see that in total, because of this special order, our variable MOH is going to go up to $80. And then we have this special filigree, right? It's a direct material. It's $2 per unit or per bracelet. We're making 20 bracelets. That's $40. So we can see just by looking at the variable costs that our total variable costs for this special order is $2,700. Okay. However, we do have a fixed cost associated with this special order. Remember, we have to buy that tool, right? That special tool. So we'll just say buy special tool, which is $250, or yeah, $250. So that means that our total incremental costs are $2,950. And again, this is the total incremental cost. Okay? So now, should we accept this special order? Well, we need to find out, is there a financial advantage of accepting the special order, or is there a financial disadvantage? Well, that's easy. In order to determine if we should accept the special order, there is actually a financial advantage. How did I get that? Well, I compared the incremental revenue with the incremental costs. Very simple. My incremental revenue was the $33.99. I subtract that incremental revenue from the incremental cost, which was $29.50. I have a profit just on this special order of $449. So based on that, we absolutely should accept the special order. Okay? So that's how you do special orders. When we come back, we're going to look at exercise 12-5, which has to do with managing a constraint. Okay? We're going to look at volume trade-offs, based on what should we produce if we have a constrained resource. So we'll look at that in our next video.